We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jerk, Tom.
Look, Celia, we have to follow our passions. You have your robotics and I just want to be awesome in space.
Why don't you just admit that you're freaked out by my robot hand?
I'm not freaked out by it. All right, fine. I'm freaked out. I'm having nightmares that I'm being chased by these giant robotic claws.
Whatever, Tom. We're done.
Robot's memory synced and locked.
This is pretty freaky.
You broke my heart. You forgot me on Earth.
No.
I should just crush you.
Shouldn't you be down there?
I heard you guys talking last night. It's not my fault, you know.
Ready? Of course you're ready. You're a rock star. How's it looking, Barley?
We should have about 10 minutes.
Well, that's perfect. We're only one. All systems go. Yeah, you go. Go. Move your asses. Go, go, go. I love it. Come on. Go. That's nice. Nothing to worry about. Done.
There she is. Now, you'll love her. She's your passion. Be tender to her. Be honest. Be tender. Remind her what love is.
And action!
Memory override in progress.
You're a jerk, Tom.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Look, Celia, have to follow our passions. You have your robotics, and I just want to be awesome in space.
Okay, they're coming. 2 minutes left.
Speed it up, Don.
Why don't you just admit that you're freaked out by my robot hand?
Have you ever thought that maybe you were lost?
No.
Well, how do you know that you're walking in the right direction?
Walk by faith, not by sight.
Yeah, L-A-Z, crazy. Eyes on Hove, I ain't talking about Jay-Z. They be trying to hold me back, can't break me, shake me. Empowered by the king, blood washes me clean daily. You on a fast route, straight pacing, hasty, you only get one shot. Watch where you're aiming, I aim for the sky, get high, yeah, I'm spacing. Forgot along with so now, KB, I'm not afraid, let him finish me. Long as the Christ is exalted, let his glory diminish me. Every day stay praying for humility, even if it means being bruised by the enemy. Walking through the valley of the shadow of death, nothing to fear, cause he's here nonetheless. Yes, and if I die, then heaven is where I rest. Father, accept my spirit when I take my last breath. Breastplate on, helmet on straight, boots laced up, we walk by faith, let's go. Let's go. And they can take our lives, kill our flesh, but can't take our salvation. We welcome death. Let's go. Let's go. This talent is a gift, but I must manage to have it balanced with the scriptures, so that I'm sure that the stuff I hand them is legit. I rap Jesus, so go ahead and flex. P90X, these rappers getting ripped. It ain't even me who's leaving the beating. Holy Spirit writes my rhymes, so lyrically you could say I'm cheating. Authority given by him, conquer and defeating in his name, unashamed. Romans 1:16, and let's set it straight. This lifestyle has no breaks. We press forward steps, walk by faith. Hey, they say faith is without reason, yet the reason people are bleeding is cause of lives without Jesus. You call me blind, but I see you don't see the origin of creation points to intelligent design. And unbelievers mock, still I pay them no mind. I just pay attention to life so it can buy me some time. Let go. Breastplate on, helmet on straight, boots laced up, we walk by faith. Let's go. Let's go. And they can take our lives, kill our flesh, but can't take our salvation. We welcome death. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready to take up your cross? Look, are you ready to take up your cross? Losing your life's not a loss for the King who bled. He restored us to the Father with the blood that he shed. He could have let our sin destroy us, let us suffer instead. He took nails in his hands and thorns on his head. The King of Kings, Lord of Lords, he is worthy of praise. Till the day he returns to save us from the ways of this world and the pain on the final days, where the beast will be unleashed from his cage to feast. Agony in the air, sounds of cries from the mothers. Streets go up in flames, people die and they suffer. You ain't gotta stay behind, you can roll. Follow us, we follow Christ. He'll make sure you're good to go. Let's go.
You know, there's a lesson to be learned from this.
Could have gone worse.